The Chevrolet Corvette is one of America's most iconic sports cars, and its journey from a 1953 debut to today has been filled with groundbreaking innovations and unforgettable designs. The 1963 Corvette, in particular, is one of the most coveted models in the car's history. Known for its revolutionary split-window design and the introduction of the Fuelie engine option, the 1963 Corvette Fuelie stands out as a true collector's dream. But did you know that this particular model might also be the last one ever made? Let's first take a look at the context of the 1963 Chevrolet Corvette. This was a pivotal year for the model, as the Corvette transitioned from the first generation to the second, ushering in the legendary Stingray. The 1963 Corvette was also the year the split-window coupe design was introduced, a feature that would become a symbol of its era. However, the split-window design, despite its initial appeal, was short-lived. It was removed from the 1964 model onward due to poor rear visibility, making the 1963 split-window model a one-year-only design. But it wasn't just the body that made the 1963 Corvette special. It was also the introduction of the L84 fuel-injected V8 engine, which became known as the Fuelie. This engine was a significant upgrade over the standard carbureted V8 options, offering 360 horsepower and a much more refined performance. The Fuelie engine was not only a technological marvel, but also a much more capable performer, especially in high-speed cornering, thanks to its fuel injection system that eliminated the typical issues carburetors faced with gasoline sloshing in turns. The Fuelie engine option was so sought after that it became the centerpiece of a more specialized package, the Z06 Special Performance Equipment. While the Z06 package was not available to every Corvette buyer, it could be obtained by ordering a combination of the L84 engine, a 4-speed Muncie transmission, and a positive-traction rear end. Although the Z06 package was priced at $1,818, around 50% of the car's base price, buyers who were willing to invest in this package were treated to one of the most potent and performance-oriented Corvettes ever made. Interestingly, a rare variant of a 1963 Corvette Fuelie may have been among the last ever made. Jim Sheehan, a passionate Corvette collector, recently acquired an ermine white example of the 1963 Corvette Fuelie. What makes this car even more significant is the possibility that it might be the last split-window Fuelie ever produced. Assembled on August 5, 1963, this car is likely one of the final models produced before the shift to the 1964 model year. This rare connection to the final batch of the 1963 Corvette only adds to its historical importance. Sheehan's new acquisition is not just any old Corvette. This car has undergone a restoration process, earning top-tier honors such as the Bloomington Gold certification and the National Corvette Restorers Society Top Flight Award. With just 67,715 miles on the clock, the car looks as pristine as it did when it first rolled off the assembly line. This particular Corvette also features the rare soft ray tinted glass option, making it one of just 629 cars to have this unique feature. Beyond the striking appearance and impeccable condition, this car is a true performance machine. It retains its matching numbers L84 fuel-injected engine, the factory-installed 4-speed transmission, and a 3.70:1 positive-traction rear end, all of which make it a fully functioning tribute to the glory days of American muscle cars. The combination of these features would have qualified it for the Z06 package, had it been ordered, making this car even more valuable and desirable to collectors. The value of this particular 1963 Corvette Fuelie could soar if it is indeed confirmed as the last of its kind. The last 1963 Corvette ever assembled, which was also a Fuelie, sold for $500,000 in recent years. Given its historical significance, it wouldn't be surprising if Sheehan's car, if it is indeed the last split-window Fuelie, could fetch an even higher price. For Corvette enthusiasts and collectors, this car represents the pinnacle of American automotive history, a true end-of-an-era treasure. For now, Jim Sheehan continues his quest to uncover more details about this rare Corvette, but one thing is for sure. This 1963 Corvette Fuelie will forever be a part of automotive lore.